Okay, so let's talk through whether you will go long or short in the chart that was shown on the previous page. So this was the chart in question. Would you go long or short here? So what are we looking for here? We're looking at the trend. We're trying to analyze the trend. We're trying to see where prices are going, in which direction they're going in, so we can ride that wave. So what we see here is that these lows that I'm indicating right now are getting higher. And so are the highs. So if the highs are getting higher and the lows are getting higher, what is that indicating? That is indicating an uptrend. And in an uptrend, when prices are rising, we want to go long. I hope you got that right. If you didn't, you may want to go over the trend analysis section again and make sure that you understand what was covered. If you did, then please continue over to the next page where we'll go through another example.